Okay guys, so Terra Classic still in the green, up 30% on the day. We're going to be talking about Terra Classic news and more in this video, so make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and we'll also watch until the end of the video so you don't miss out on any of this extremely important information I'm about to give to you guys. Let's get into it. So also get your free stock with the first link in the description, join our free section of our private Discord, the second link in the description. Terra Classic currently ranked number 210 in the world with a $960 million market cap. For a brief moment they did reach a $1 billion market cap, and then the volume is sitting at about 1.2 billion, which is the most we have seen in a very long time on Terra Classic, up about 183% over the past 24 hours. Like I said earlier, the price we are up about 31%. We're up 31% more in Bitcoin and 37% more than Ethereum. And when you take a look at the broader crypto market, it is down 1.33% at a $905 billion global crypto market cap, and everything is pretty much in the red. You know, there are some like Dogecoin that are slightly in the green, SHIB is slightly in the green, but other than that, pretty much a bearish day in the market. However, Terra Classic not seeing that same bearish sentiment. You can also see here in terms of historical data, the volume. We didn't see a $100 million volume for a fat minute there, but we have seen it over the past 3 days. 139 million yesterday, 530 million the day before that, and then 500 million yesterday, and now we're seeing 1.2 billion. If we take a look back, we haven't seen $1 billion in volume since May 23. In over a month, we have not seen $1 billion in volume. However, we have seen it now, and we are doing extremely well as a community here with Terra Classic on this date. Also, Terra Classic USD or USTC is also doing very well, up 63%. The market cap's sitting at about 700 million. Volume at 370 million, which is up 121%. And you can see the volume is absolutely going crazy for Terra Classic USD. This is actually a dead stable coin, but if we can get back to a $1 peg, we could actually make this thing work. So we'll have to see how all of these things do go, but everything is looking extremely good, at least today, for Terra Classic. Now, before we get into the news, I do want to mention that you can get a free stock with the first link in the description with public.com. All you have to do is deposit $1 and you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock, and you will be able to join a social investing app where you can see portfolios such as ours, also people such as Graham Stephan. So if you guys are interested in that, go and get your free stock with the first link in the description. Other than that, let's go into our piece of news for today. So Lunc is up 107%, USTC up 320% in the past 55 hours. And what does this mean? So the month of May witnessed the epic Terra, now Terra Classic, collapse. This triggered massive liquidations in the crypto market. Many investors lost a significant portion of their earnings as tens of billions were wiped away in the matter of days. Needless to say, crypto holders were perplexed over the future of Lunc. Even the respective stablecoin suffered the same fate as it lost its $1 peg. But it now looks the network is showing the path for investors / traders to return. So Classic's affair. Terra Classic witnessed a 80% surge, while USTC showed a 280% hike as per data from CoinMarketCap. However, at press time, the token traded at the 13 mark, while the stable coin returned to the 8-cent mark. Although this is short of its $1 peg, both these tokens have been all but abandoned by the crypto community over the past 2 to 4 months, as per sentiment. The interest in Terra Classic might indicate that investors still believe this asset has a fighting chance in the crypto market. Additionally, Terra Classic receives support from several different crypto exchanges. For example, the crypto exchange service Change Now enabled the trading of both Luna 2.0 and Lunc. Moreover, the total number of unique addresses that hold assets in the Terra Classic chain increased about 560% in the span of 1 month. This so-called uptick even helped Lunc's trading volume to register almost 1 billion. It actually is over 1 billion now at the time of this writing. The weekly volume stood at about 900 million before that. The social volume and social dominance metrics saw some highs. It is, however, important to point out these spikes could be attributed to the pumps that the token recorded at these points. Furthermore, the supply held by the whales metric did not register an uptick. The retail traders are showing interest, but whales seem to be cautiously as waiting cautiously as LunC is concerned. So technically the whales have not started to accumulate or get into LunC yet. However, the retail community, all of you guys, everyone who watches these videos, have been piling up on LunC. They have been getting as much as they can, and I see that as a very big positive. As covered in the past, regulators didn't quite see eye to eye with Terra's founder, Do Kwon. However, Do Kwon is no longer involved with Terra Classic. He has basically turned his back on Terra Classic, which is good because he's getting, hit from every single side here. But yeah, that's basically what we got for that article. Before we get into the technical analysis, I do want to mention you can get you can join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. We put out free stock alerts, stock option alerts, as well as crypto alerts with the second link in the description. You're literally leaving free money if you don't join this free Discord. Go ahead and do it, the second link in the description. Now let's go over some technical analysis here. You can see that Terra Classic or LunC was trading tightly between this support and resistance level before it broke above it. And then I charted out a bull flag. Well, we went way past what my prediction was for Terra Classic, and now it seems that we are starting to find a resistance here at about the 15 level, and it looks like we're finding a support here at about the 12.5 level. So we are trading pretty tightly between these support and resistance lines at the 15 as well as the 12.5. Right now we are trending down on the MACD, but it looks like we're pretty much just consolidating at the moment, and the RSI is only at 59, so we could technically make a little bit of a push here, but overall we're gonna have to see where the next couple of days go before we have anything really stable that we know about this technical analysis. But other than that, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Join our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. Leave a like and subscribe. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.